I'm Ellie Hourizadeh, and I'm a mediator, arbitrator, and neutral evaluator at JAMS. An important part of mediation is so the parties can present their case the way they want, and I spend time understanding, connecting, and really listening to the parties at the outset of mediation so they know they're being heard and understood and that their grievances are being presented to the other side in a way that they feel to be authentic and real. My mediation style is three-pronged. I like to be extremely well prepared. I have a mediation call with each side to better understand their facts, their perspective, and the personalities that will be present. Then, during the mediation day, I try and get to know the parties by asking questions and by trying to think of additional creative solutions that the parties may grasp onto as a means of resolution. And finally, if the case doesn't settle at mediation, I continue to follow up with the parties in the hope of finally reaching a resolution. Two things are really important in arbitration. For the arbitrator to keep an open mind so that during the course of the arbitrator can evaluate the evidence that's being presented. And second, for the arbitrator to write a reasoned award so that each side understands why and how the arbitrator reached his or her decision. As I prepare for arbitration, I think the most important thing is to not only thoroughly read the submissions by the parties, but to understand each element of the claims and the facts that each party contends support their claims, so that during the arbitration process, I can better evaluate whether the evidence that's being presented supports or undermines each party's claim or defense. Prior to joining JAMS, I served as in-house counsel for companies in a variety of fields. As in-house counsel, I dealt with both business and legal issues, and so I was able to get a complete understanding of how a business works. And so as a neutral evaluator, I can give the client the impartial view of the case and the likely outcome of their case. Some of the most challenging aspect of mediation is establishing trust. I do that by inching the parties forward, by asking them to adjust their mindset from one of litigation to one of negotiation, by asking why they feel the way they do, how the dispute came about, and what they ultimately want as a resolution, not just in dollars and cents, but what would make them feel whole. And when people feel like that's being addressed, they're more likely to work towards a resolution. And I think that honesty is what helps build trust with the parties.